Don't mess with our sellers. Red Points, you better stop making complaints against our clients. Okay, Amazon sellers, so Red Points is an outfit out of some place in Europe that purports to know intellectual property law and something about brand protection. And if you've developed your own branded products and you're starting to lose sales, the best brand protection firm in the world is my firm, okay? As you have grown and developed your own brands, we have grown with you and we protect your brands and we do it the right way without ever needlessly harming an Amazon seller, making sure that every single complaint, when it's necessary, every single cease and desist communication is well grounded. But Red Points, if they may complain against you, I want to hear about it, okay? Because we can help you. So what is this case about? It's file number 05115, handled by one of our insanely awesome paralegals. His name is Chris Toomey. And Red Points had sent into Amazon over 20 counterfeit complaints, over 20. Now, that could be the death knell for many sellers, but not when you get us on the case. So what did we do? Number one, we confirmed that the counterfeit complaints were totally baseless. The products were sourced directly from the brand, from a brand called Color Street Products, and they were 100% genuine, which made Red Point's complaints 100% baseless. We pointed it out to Amazon, and Amazon reinstated the seller. Our arguments have weight, our arguments have merit. So the complaints were totally baseless, and as you're watching this video, this Amazon seller is back online. Also, I'll throw something else out there. Red Points retracted the complaints when we reached out to them before we even sent them any proof that the complaints were baseless. So Amazon sellers, if you receive any complaints from Red Points, please contact me in any one of these 4 ways. We are here for Amazon sellers. And if you'd like to learn about intellectual property law as it pertains specifically to your business, this is the best book in the world when it comes to copyright law for Amazon sellers, the Amazon Seller's Guide to Copyright Law. This is the greatest book in the world when it comes to trademark law for you, the Amazon Seller's Guide to Trademark Law. If you want to know how we win the reactivation of accounts, reactivations of listings, contact me in any one of these 4 ways. We'll try and pick up the call as soon as it rings, or if not, we'll be back in touch with you as soon as possible.